Hi, morning everyone. Richard here. Currently I'm at this park here. This is the first time I'm here. Not sure what to see, but actually we're here for the OM macro photography session. They are doing their macro photography here, but I'm just here to busybody. So I'm testing out the selfie mode with the GX9, and I have a little tiny reflective mirror on the side. I wonder if you can rock with this. It's a 14mm f2.5. It's a mixed lens. Not sure it's wide enough, so I'm holding on my hand further than usual. Actually, if I can hold it closer, it will be great. It'll be less tiring, but let's look at it. Good thing is this GX9 comes with the in-body stabilization. The lens doesn't have OIS, so there's no optical stabilization, but there is let's hold on with my right hand. So there is stabilization on the body itself. So let's take out the phone, let's grab a shot on how it looks like for you, so that you guys can see how this looks like with my selfie there. Yeah. So hopefully I can rock with this and find the rest of the group, because they're supposed to be around and somewhere inside the jungle, or at the side here maybe. Oh, I think I saw them. There's a bunch of them there, so I think they are there. So let's have a look and see. So looks like they're here. Hopefully it's not too shaky. Hello.
Hi.
Vlogging with this camera. So I finally found them. This is Ken Woon and the rest of them.
Friends from from Penang.
Oh, from Penang. Yeah. Okay, all the Penang come down already. So what's bugging here?
Dogging.
What bug is that?
Spider.
Oh, okay.
Small spider.
Okay, so I'm here just to KPC. See what they're doing.
So you're vlogging.
Yeah. So they're trying to get hold of this little spider inside the leaf here.
Okay. 你要调到250。怎么样 ？OK， 你这个一定是 bling 吗？OK， 你就可以了。
So that's the spider that they're taking. I can't even focus on that, right? So that's how it looks like. That is a spider. That's how small it is. That tiny spider you saw there was this one. So that's macro photography for you. So they're learning all the macro photography here in the session. And the spiders or bugs are so tiny, right? So you have fun with them. You're looking at them at a different point of view, different perspective than your usual big stuff. So they're pretty small, and maybe I'll bring out my camera and start shooting some macro myself. So I'll see you in a while. I'll put out the photos after I've done. So now I'm on the 45mm f2.8 Leica. Right, this is a Leica lens. I can't remember. It's a 45mm Leica f2.8. So this is a macro lens. It's 1:1 macro. So I'm gonna test it out with this GX9 and see what are the photos coming out from there. I'm gonna start shooting without the adapter. the Raynox 250. So I'm just going to use the 45mm and then have a look how it comes out. So this is the Spider without the Raynox. Let's put on the Raynox and see can magnification how high it is. So this with the Raynox, I'm trying to get it focused. It's harder to focus when it's 2.5 times. Yep, that's it. Hit the 2.5 times. Very narrow field of view. Yep, the OM group and Kenwon's here, and that's John behind there. Hi. Hey, bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye bye. There you have it. Just a quick day out with the Macro group, led by Kenwon. Do give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and catch me on the next one. Subscribe. See you. Bye.